Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to numbers in Excel. Let's get started. If you've ever imported data into Excel, you might have noticed that sometimes number values don't get imported correctly and are recognized as text. Such inconsistencies within the sheet are marked with a little green triangle in the upper left corner of the cell. They might seem harmless, but can cause various problems in future calculations. Let's look at the first way to conveniently solve this situation and get number values recognized as they're supposed to be. Here, we'll work directly with this little green corner. Click on the cell marked with the green corner, then click on the alert symbol that appears on the left. Excel shows a menu of options where you choose Convert to Number, and that's it. The value in the cell has been instantly recognized as number. Of course, this can be applied to multiple cells all at once. Select the whole column and start with a cell containing the error alert. Click on the symbol and choose Convert to Number. This will ensure that all the values in the column will be recognized as numbers, not text. Now you can keep working with numbers. To look at the second way, let's undo the changes. Now we'll use the option Paste Special and the function Multiply. First, we enter the number 1 into an empty cell. Let's say it'll be cell B2. Now we need to copy the number, so we right-click on B2 and select Copy. Click on the cell where we need to convert text to a number, and here on the ribbon, we find the button Paste. Click on it and choose Paste Special. We select Multiply, confirm with OK, and here we go. The green corner has disappeared, and the value is now recognized as a number. There's also a possibility to convert multiple cells at once. Just select the whole column and repeat the steps we've just gone through. Now we undo the changes once again to look at the third way to convert text to a number in Excel. Here, we'll use a handy feature called Text to Columns. Again, the conversion can be done on one cell only or on multiple cells at once. So we select the whole column right away. Then we click on the Data tab and choose Text to Columns option. A window appears where you actually don't need to do anything. You just click on the button Finish, and that's it. The values have been converted to numbers, so we can carry on working with them as such. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.